I'm Adam Krebs, and I'm a scientist at Oxford University.
And I'm Lucia Cottone, and I'm a scientist at University College London, working with Professor Adrian Flanagan.
The funding that we received from the Bone Cancer Research Trust is funding a project on chordoma biology. Chordoma is a slow-growing cancer which typically affects the base of the spine or the base of the skull, but can also occur at any vertebra along the back. What we're trying to do is first of all, the problem with chordoma is that it's slow growing, so you can't use chemotherapy treatments that you would normally use to treat other cancers. Secondly, because of the close location of the spine, it becomes very difficult to actually surgically remove it. Because normal chemotherapy isn't that effective, what we really need is targeted drug treatments, and this is what the project is being set up to undertake the research for.
Yeah, so progress has been made over the last years for patients with chordoma, and from our group and other groups. However, we know that not all patients will respond. We know that unfortunately recurrences will occur, and therefore more research is needed and more drugs needs to be developed. And so really thanks to BRCT and these funds that we have received, that's the aim of our project, to come up with new drugs that will benefit a wider proportion of the patients. This really is a collaborative project between Oxford and UCL, and between research group with different sets of skills. So Adam has a lot of expertise in using computer softwares to analyze biological data, and our expertise is more on the biology and the pathology of the disease. And we really want to bring these two fields together to create extra added value and for the research and for the patients.
The big thing with a lot of these primary bone cancers is that the larger charities don't really effectively support the research into these areas. That what the BCRT are allowing us to do is to actually push this project forward, which otherwise would have not been funded ultimately. And so science and research can only be done by providing money from research. So ultimately, raise more money. It's really important. I think that's about it.
Yeah, and we are really grateful to all the patients that contribute and every single contribution that is made for our research, and we hope in the future will really be a value for the community.